I'm going to show you how to remove your eyelashes and prep your face for a new set of lashes. And to remove the lashes, it's really simple. You just need an oil-based makeup remover, or I use coconut oil. It's just easy, it's gentle on my face and on my lashes. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip and take some of the coconut oil, and I just get the coconut oil all over a Q-tip and then gently rub on the lashes. And just start to work them off. You don't want to pull the lashes right off of your natural lashes. If you pull too hard, you can pull some of your natural lashes out, causing damage. But if you're very careful and you don't do anything like that, these lashes are not going to damage your natural lashes, which is why I love them. I used to wear traditional lash extensions, and when I got them removed, they took off every single lash that was on my eyes, and I cried. It was terrible. So when I started using these, I have not had any damage to my lashes at all. And I can wear them without any breaks if I choose to. I can wear them for a long weekend and take them off. It's provided me the most flexibility as far as wearing lashes. So as you see, I'm just kind of gently rolling them off with my Q-tip, and they just come off with the coconut oil. I'm gonna move to the left eye. Voila. Okay, so I have fully prepared my face for a new application of the LIY Lashes. And this is super important if you want your lashes to last you 7 to 10 days. I have thoroughly cleansed my face. I have not put on any moisturizers, nothing on my eye area. I made sure my lashes are super clean with no oil or residue on them. Another thing that I like to do to make sure that they are very clean is I will take my lash spoolie and some micellar water, and I will just put a little micellar water on the spoolie and brush them through my lashes. So that way I make sure that there's no oil left in my lashes before applying my LIY clusters.